Little Creations Learning Center is growing, and we need your help to move into a larger facility. We are a nonprofit early childhood learning center in the Pleasant Grove community of Dallas, and we are bursting at the seams. Our center promotes not only high academic standards, but also teaches the importance of character building, such as self-control, sharing, honesty, integrity, and compassion. We do this while reinforcing the basic biblical beliefs which all Christians hold true. The world in which we live equally distributes talent, but does not equally distribute opportunity. Although our children are bright and full of potential, many of them are slated to attend primary and secondary schools whose academic ranking never rises above a C+, an indication of lower math and reading proficiency among students at that school. We know we can make a difference. At Little Creations Learning Center, our vision is to be the premier early learning solution in Pleasant Grove and bridge the education gap between this community and children born to more affluent zip codes. Through our creative learning process, we will teach with computer technology, multimedia presentations, field trips, and guest speakers, all to activate each child's natural curiosity and imagination. We know that if we can ignite in them a love for learning early, we have the opportunity to change the trajectory of their entire lives. Please help us provide higher quality learning experiences to our deserving children. Every donation you make will be directed to purchase a modular facility equipped with learning technology and acquire vans for transporting children to and from school and to educational field trips. You can make a difference today. Make a tax-deductible donation for the children at our GoFundMe page. Our children's future depends on it.